What's going on, guys? Nathan with Technology Smash back with another video, and today I have an opening, unboxing, and try on of the case lineup from MNML. So MNML reached out to me and sent me all their colors for the new iPhone 11 Pro. These are super thin cases. I haven't ever got to check these out. I've always wanted to, and luckily they reached out to me, so it worked out here. So we have matte black, frosted white, and then these two cases are not labeled. Oh no, they are clear and frosted black. So we have all four of their color options. I'm going to link their information down below if you're checking, if you're wanting to check them out, obviously. So shout out to them, thank them, thank you MNML for sending out these cases to me. I really appreciate it. Let's get into this. So got the phone up here, no case currently on it. It is my Midnight Green 11 Pro. So we are going to try all these on and see how they look. So we'll get these out of the way. Let's see, let's do the clear first. Transparent. Okay, so this one, these boxes are a little bit different than those other two white ones. The two darker cases are definitely unique. They look more premium. I'm not sure why. I guess we'll find out. But there's a little spot here where it's taped shut. So I'm going to cut that, and then there's a little pull tab here, and you can see their logo, MNML. I like how they spell it, MNML, which is also minimal. I think there might be another spot that's taped. Oh yeah, there is on the back side. Still using that ridge knife. Okay, so we're gonna pull the tab. And congratulations, you've kept it simple. A case for a new face. So there's some installation instructions. These are super thin. So they're 0.35 millimeters. You can see on the back here, I'll read some of this info, or you can pause it to read. Free of branding and crafted to enhance the look and feel of your phone. 0.35 millimeters thin. Each case is made for people who want protection but don't want to be a fat pocket Freddy. Precision crafted, precise cutouts ensure full and easy access to buttons and ports. Raised bump provides your camera extra protection. Fine texture gives you a light grip and feel in the hand. So it even tells you how to take it on and off here, because it is so thin that I've seen some of these where the corners can sort of like crush in because of how thin it is. So inside this box is a is a plastic bag. Oh, and there is a microfiber cloth and a sticker too, so that's cool. Throw that off to the side. This is a paper bag, or sorry, I keep saying paper, it's a plastic bag. Pull the tab up top, and we're gonna take it out. This is thin. Wow, that is crazy. This is, I have not dealt with these. I've seen them before. Like I can't describe to you how light this is and what it isn't. This feels like it could just float off my hand. Let's go ahead and put this on. This is definitely perfect for people who don't want a case, but they don't want their phone fully naked for scratches. This is not gonna be drop protection at all. This is definitely a scratch protection type of case. So let me look at this to make sure I put it on right. So it says you gotta go in bottom first. So slide it all the way down, and then you're gonna do left corner, right corner. This is nuts. This is basically a skin. This is as thin as you can get. Even the buttons aren't covered. They are cut out. Volume rocker is a little difficult. It's perfectly cut around it, if you can see it there. The camera bump is raised. So this does come up. Sorry for the noise outside. It's gonna go by. Airplane, gonna shake the whole house. There's a tab up here to pull this off, because now it's gonna start getting scratched after probably. This is nice. I do like this. I'm somebody who always wants to take off the case, but I don't want to get the phone scratched, one, which that is not as big of a concern as it is slippery. The phone is so damn slippery, and this is not coming out of my hand, at least I don't think it would. It's very grippy. This is very thin and very, very cool. I'm definitely glad that they reached out to me because I've always been curious about these cases. Let's see, how do I take this off? Removal, we're gonna go top corner, sort of push and roll it off. There we go. And then the other side, and then slide it out. Cool, cool. So that is the clear one. Let's check out these other ones. That is a nice thin case. I can't believe they can make it so thin. This one is called Frosted Black. That reminds me of this wallet, and that's why I brought it out. The Razer wallet that I just put the video up for. Same kind of thing. It's like, it's so thin that you can't really get any thinner. And that's what we're dealing with right here. Can't get smaller than this. All right. Same stuff, microfiber, sticker, same plastic bag. Got it that time. Zip up top. Okay, so here's the difference. I can't even find that one. It's so thin and clear. So here's the clear one again. Here's the Frosted Black. So you can see that raised camera bump better too. Just barely comes off. Let's throw this boy on there. Yeah, that's cool. This one's a little slicker. Can't see through this one as well, but you still can. You can see the Apple logo there. Same thing. The buttons are actually not there. They're your real buttons. So they are cut out. Cutouts along the bottom that I didn't show last time. That is the Frosted Black one. That one's cool. A little slicker, but that is super stealth. It's like a matte black color. I think there actually is a matte. Yeah, there's a frosted white and a matte black, so I'm excited to try those. So we'll just keep moving along here. These are really cool. I didn't think that I would like it that much, but I do. Thanks again, MNML, for sending these out. Really appreciate it. I'm gonna slide this one up. This one is frosted white, so it should be just like this one, except for white. This box is different though, so let's check out how this one works. Flip style. So same stuff inside. Not sure why the packaging is different. 20% off your next purchase if you buy something else. Frosted white. This one might look really nice. Same thing. Push it down to the bottom. Roll the corners over, and it's on. That one looks nice too. Man, this is gonna be nice. This is definitely, like I said, this is a scratch protection case. This is not for drops. If I drop my phone with this on, it's still going to not be the most protective. Obviously, that's not what they're going for, and they're not claiming that. But I mean, if you're gonna have a thicker case with built-in corner protection and all that stuff, obviously this is geared towards specific people who want this kind of thing. So like that one. I'm excited for the matte black one, see if the grip is a little different. Push this up, slide it out the top, opens like a book. Oh yeah, same stuff in here. So this one is like those, except it's not transparent at all. So this is gonna turn the phone into complete black. So because the phone, the camera module is dark anyways, the whole phone just looks like a stealth black. This is sick. This is great. This looks so good. I don't know if I like that clear one the best, but I definitely like them all. They're crazy thin. They're very, very light. Obviously, I can only say it so much, but these are really cool. Thanks again, MNML, for sending these out. Definitely check them out if you're looking for something that's thinner than a normal case but thicker than a skin, or that goes all the way around that you can take on and off. That's definitely where the middle ground is for these. These are really cool. I like them a lot. So again, shout out to MNML. Thank you for sending these out so that I could do a video for them. Really appreciate you guys supporting the channel. I'll link all their information down below. As always, guys, thanks for checking it out, and I will talk to you next time. Later.